Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Flex 2 buds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to connect to one device, and then how to connect to another device. So you'd be connected to devices, and then how to factory reset these. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and connect to my Samsung Galaxy S25 here, okay? So let's grab these buds here. Now I'm going to open the lid up, and I'll know that it's in pairing mode right away if both of these are blinking blue just like that, okay? So it's blinking blue, it's in pairing mode, okay? Now I can go ahead and take these out to connect, or I can leave them in there as long as they're blinking blue, okay? So they're in pairing mode. Let's go to the Android phone here. Let's open that up. And sometimes you'll get a pop-up window here. Let's see, a little window that pops up and you can connect that way. If not, you can always go the traditional way as well. We'll just go to settings. On this phone here, we'll go to connections, we'll go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And you see that spinny thing right there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. It did find the Tune Flex 2. It's still in pairing mode. I found it. Let's tap that. Android phones, we should get a pairing request right there. Let's tap that. And voila, we are connected. And I just heard it say connected on the buds as well. So now we're connected to this phone, okay? Now let's put this one away. And now let's say we want to connect to a different phone now, okay? Let's say this is an iPhone 16e, okay? So if I want to connect to this one here, let me just put the buds back in here. Let me go ahead and close the lid. All right, now I'm going to open it. Remember the first time I opened it, it went into pairing mode because it wasn't connected to another device. Now it's connected to another device, and okay, so now we get a solid blue light here instead of it blinking blue, and then it goes off. If I had this in my ear, it would have said connected, so I know that these buds are connected to another device somewhere. Obviously, it's this one here. So how do we pair it to another phone or a computer or TV while we're also connected here? Well, to do that, we're going to make sure the buds are back in the case. We're going to close the lid. All right, now we're going to open it up. And now what we're going to do is take both of these buds out. And now it doesn't matter if we use the right side or the left side. We'll just use the right side here. And what we want to do is on touch sensor here, we want to tap and then tap and hold and just wait until both of them start blinking blue, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, so we'll do it together. Ready? Tap, tap, and hold. Just keep holding until they both start blinking blue. Usually it takes like 8 seconds or so. Hey, there you go. I got it the first time. I usually have to do it 2 times. If you have to do it over again, put it back in the case and do the same thing I just did again. Anyway, now it's in pairing mode. Now we can go ahead and connect to my other phone here, or TV or computer, it doesn't matter. I'll go to settings, and then from here, I'm going to go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and now under other devices, that spinny thing there, now it's searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it should show up down here. It didn't show up yet. I can go ahead and keep waiting, or I can just turn off Bluetooth and just turn it back on to rescan. It's still in the pairing mode, so it should show up here. Hey, what do you know? Under other devices, there we go. Let's tap on that right there. Now we're connected, okay? So now we're connected to this phone. So if I watch a YouTube video or I listen to music, I'm going to hear it out of here. If I put this phone away and I grab this one here and I watch YouTube or listen to music, the audio will come out of here as well. So we're paired to 2 devices here, 2 phones, all right? So now, let's say we want to factory reset these, okay? We want to factory reset these. If you have issues, can't put it in pairing mode, you have connecting problems, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe you can't connect, maybe you hear static, maybe one of the buds is not working, and so on, okay? So factory reset. So we're going to go ahead and put them both in the case right now. So to factory reset these, I'm going to go ahead and take out both the buds, and then again, I can use the left or right one. I'll just use the right one. And then remember before we did tap and then tap and hold. This time what we're going to do is tap, tap, and then tap and hold. Okay, but this time I'm going to put it in my ear, so when I tap it, I can hear beep, beep, and then beep. I'll press and hold and hear beep, and I'll just keep on holding until it says power off, usually about 10 seconds. We'll do it together, okay? I'm going to put one of these in my ear, though. Let's take these out. Okay. Okay, it didn't say it turned off. Let me do it again. Ready? Oops, it says some. Hold on. Ready? It just said power off, okay? Sometimes you get lights blinking, but no lights say blink. But anyway, it said power off, that's what we want. Now we're just gonna put it in here. And now when it both starts blinking blue, the factory reset is done. And it's blinking blue, it's gonna go back into pairing mode. There you go. Now the factory reset is complete, okay? Now, if I wanted to connect back to the phones that I was previously paired for, like if I wanted to connect back to like the iPhone, remember, it's in pairing mode. It's not going to connect here, okay? I have to remove it here. So see the JBL? So let me click on the information here. I'm going to forget this device. On an Android phone, it's like unpair. TVs is like delete or remove. Now I removed it completely, okay? Now I should be able to find it here. Let me just turn off blue. I'll just rescan it again. I'm going to give it 1 second here. Oh, and we're able to connect back to this iPhone. Same thing with this Galaxy S25. If I want to connect back here, I have to delete off that Bluetooth list, okay? So remember that. Any other questions or issues, comment below.